Okay, session 1 under 18s. We're going to start with back squat, hands about shoulder width apart or wherever it's comfortable. As we come out, feet slightly turned out, chest up, nice straight back. Squatting down, coming back up. Making sure we go past 90 degrees at least. Okay, second exercise is going to be push press. So very similar to a shoulder press. Over here. Slight bend in the knees and using that to explode up out. Making sure we're fully extending arms all the way up. Try to look forward, don't look up at the bar when we're doing it. Next one's going to be chin up, we're going to do it on underhand grip. If you need to use bands for a bit of assistance, you can set that up either at the top or in between. Next exercise will be single leg RDL. To the bar. Start from a neutral position here, onto one leg. As our leg goes up, we begin to go forward. Come back up. Try and keep the bar close to our leg here. If we struggle for balance, we put the back leg on the floor, push your bum backwards as we come down. On some core, so we've got the landmine rotations. You can either do it with the landmine or you can put it in the corner of the room, hold this place. So take the bar up, keep a nice straight arms, full arms. We're going to rotate down to one side, come back. Try and keep our eyes locked onto our hands as we rotate. And then awareness, work on plate on our shins, other plate in our hands, outstretched, coming in and touching.